In 2016, Apple launched the first version of iPhone SE. It was using the same internals as the iPhone 6 series, that is the same chipset was used, and it had the same back camera as was used in the iPhone 6s at that time. Now in 2020, Apple has relaunched iPhone SE 2020 with the same internal chipset which has been used in its iPhone 11 series. But is the camera and the chip itself at par with the 11 series? Watch out in this video. According to a report published on gsmarena.com, iPhone SE appeared on Antutu and it posted an underwhelming score of under 5 lakhs, which is well off the performance of the 2019 iPhones. Looking at the result breakdown of the iPhone SE 2020, the CPU and GPU yield is closer to the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max that are powered by an A13 Bionic platform. Memory speed is the only thing pushing the 2056GB iPhone SE way ahead of the XS family with the result of 77,968, which is in line with the iPhone 11 Trio. On paper, the iPhone SE appeared to be a combination between the iPhone 8 body and iPhone XR camera and iPhone 11 Pro chipset. Sadly, the last bit comes with an important disclaimer as the SoC was clearly underclocked to maintain decent battery life. Even so, the performance is better than any other phone costing around the same price, particularly when it comes to graphics, where the low screen resolution is bound to produce unmatched frame rates. Now let's move on to the camera. In a teardown video on PBK Reviews, it was revealed that the iPhone SE 2020 uses the same camera hardware as is being used in the iPhone 8 series. Well, much to the surprise of many of us, we thought that it is using the same hardware as was used in the iPhone XR, which was launched in 2018. But when teardown video came out, it clearly showed that it was using even an older version of that hardware that was used in the iPhone 8 series, which was launched in 2017. Well, when it comes to Apple, we expect much more transparency, but see how Apple has done this time around. Guys, for more stuff like this, like our video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon as soon as you hit that subscribe button, and stay indoors while there is lockdown. See you in the next one.